Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. In this session, we're going to see web action and web actions, a concept called identifier. Identifier is a very simple concept. By definition, it's something that identifies or uniquely points to something or someone else. The keyword here is identify and keyword is unique. If you combine this uniquely identifying an element in the screen, this is very useful concept. So if you want TagUI to take some action, or perform some action on the browser or on a browser elements such as calendar, menu bar, toolbars, radio buttons, checkboxes, etc. So if you want to perform some action, TagUI should be able to recognize that as that object. So recognition requires a specific parameters or identifiable parameters, a way to identify that object on the screen to perform some action. So TagUI cannot by itself perform any action. We need to specify, just like how you physically do from an interaction standpoint. You see a button, you click it. It's a click is an action, and you have a button, and button has various type, like it's a submit button or a cancel button or an OK button. There are different type of button. Text box you have, so you may have a specific type of text box, search or username, and you provide a value to it. But until you say that what kind of text box it is and what property it should be for TagUI to recognize it, you cannot able to perform any action. So this is very important concept to understand, so that you can do web automation in breeze. So let's little deep dive on web action identifiers. So identifiers are of 6 types. So first one we call DOM, which is document object model. Second one we call XPath, and then you have point, we have region, and then last but not least image.